Welcome back, guys. In this session I'm going to show you how we can swap two numbers. Okay, case 1 with using third variable. Here, let me write it down like this: with using a third variable. Okay, so now let us take two numbers, integer a equal to 10, okay, and integer b is equal to 20. Now let us print out those values before the swap. Okay, so here I will say system.out.println, okay, before swapping. Okay, I will say like this: a value, and we'll use single quotes on top of this. Okay, a's value is, come outside, then concatenate the values like this. Okay, a and close a parenthesis like this. Okay, and here, okay, we'll concatenate this value also. It's saying that and b value is, come outside, again concatenate the b's value. Okay, so now let's run it once and check once what is happening. Okay, so a's value is 10 and b's value is 20. So now what we will do, first we will take an integer variable t, temporary variable, okay, and store the value of a inside that. So here what we have done is, t value we have made 10. Okay, in the next line we are going to copy the b's value into a. Okay, so that a becomes 20. Okay, we have just copied the b's value into a. Now inside b value we are going to copy the temporary variable t value, so that temporary variable is a and our b value becomes 10. Okay, so this is how the swapping is going to happen using a third variable. So let me just copy this line one more time and we'll paste it here, and here let us change this one to after swapping. After swapping, a's value is this much and b's value is that much. Okay, like that. So let's run this program once again and see, guys. Here at the first line it is saying before swapping a's value was 10 and b's value is 20, and after swapping a's value has now become 20 and b's value has become 10. Okay, so this is the program to swap two numbers using a third variable. Okay, now in the interviews they usually ask question that if you don't have a third variable like this. So let me just remove that temporary variable from there. Okay, and these two lines also I will remove it off. Okay, so now first thing what you are going to do is, okay, add up both the numbers and store the value in a itself. So first what I'm going to do, a equal to a plus b you do. Okay, so what this does is, okay, it will convert a's value as 30. Okay, now the next step is, in b you store the value of a minus b. Okay, so here what we are doing is, a minus b means 30. Okay, a is 30 and minus the b value from that. B is 20 right now, and that answer gives us 10. So technically b value we are just converted as 10. Okay, next in a value you again minus the value of a minus b like this. Okay, see, guys, here what we are doing is, a value is still 30. Okay, and we are subtracting the b's value from that. So b in the previous step only we have made it as 10. So here 30 minus 10 should give us the answer as 20, which we are copying it in a. Okay, so this is how we are going to swap a and b value using the addition first, then subtracting each value from that. Okay, so let's run this program. See, guys, now it is saying a's value is 10 and b's value is 20 like this. Okay, that is before swapping. Now after swapping it will say a's value is 20 and b's value is 10. Okay, so this is how you're going to do the swapping program. First case using the third variable, second case without using the third variable. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next topics.